Hi there guys, how are you doing? Fine, I'm great. And because you asked me so much, we're going to make another Brazilian deliciousness. We're going to make this very simple oven baked sandwich with things that you already have in your fridge that kids are going to love. Now, what I have here is a bechamel sauce that I made the other day. I used to make it and freeze it. And so this bechamel, I'm going to add a little bit of mayonnaise later. And the other ingredient that's like super simple to get is this bread. This one is gluten-free. How amazing is that? So this whole recipe is gluten-free because my bechamel is made with rice flour. So, hello, gluten-free people, stick with me. And so let's put everything together. Vegetables, tomatoes, onions, and olives, really whatever you have in your fridge because everything is good with this recipe. So let me put all my mess here together for you guys. All right, my bechamel sauce here, it's super soft. But to that, I'm going to add mayonnaise. I know. But trust me, this is going to worth every little thing that we're making here. Mix it all together. The mayonnaise is going to add this tanginess to the sauce, but if you don't want to add mayonnaise, skip it. I mean, there are no rules for this recipe whatsoever. The only rule is make it. So, okay, in a baking tray, we are going to put 4 slices of the bread. Oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. Oh, it fits perfectly. Oh my God, don't you just love this? Oh, my OCD thinks it. Super cool. Now, you add a fine layer of the, oh, I forgot to tell you, you can add a little bit of water or plant-based milk or oil or butter to the bottom of the plate or the baking tray that you're using, just so the bread doesn't stick. Mine probably will because I forgot, but oh well, this is reality TV. Right, all over, and now tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. A layer of tomatoes. But really, anything you want to add. You want to add corns? Great. You want to add peas? Awesome. You want to add asparagus? Fantastic. I mean, anything you want, really. I've had just a little bit of olives in my fridge. This is also known as the cleaning the fridge kind of recipe. So just a little bit, so I don't throw it away. I have some vegan bologna here, which is perfect for this recipe. If you can't find it, skip it. But I'm veganizing the Brazilian version. Of course, the original version is not vegan. That's why I'm making this. But if you can't find it, that's okay. A little bit of onions, because you know I'm an onion kind of gal. I love onions and I love oregano. So every recipe, if it asks for 1 onion, I'm like, yeah, let's put it 2. Everything that I'm adding here, actually, I had just a little bit on my fridge, so I'm putting all together. And then vegan cheese. This one is cheese. I will link down below. I'm not sponsored, although I could be.
Pack a bag and follow the sun. Kick off your shoes and have some fun. Get ready, get set, let's go. If we never go, we'll never know. 'Cause you and I were could fly so high, so high. And I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by. I won't let this moment pass us by.
And this is the proof, guys, that I love you. And you know why? Because today is the hottest day of the year and I am going to bake a food in the oven for you. If this is not love, I don't know what is. So let's go. Look at this. This brings me so many nice memories because growing up, that's what my mom used to make for us when we brought friends over. I said that we were supposed to put it in the oven for 15 minutes. It's actually 25, okay? 25, 30 minutes. It's better because especially if you add onions, they need to cook. I mean, I don't mind raw onions, but your guests are not gonna like it so much, I think. Oh my God. This looks so nice, doesn't it? And let the drums roll.
And I won't let this moment pass us by, pass us by.
Oh my God.
Won't let this moment
You
pass
guys.
us by. Won't let this moment pass us by.
This is pure love on the tray, in the tray. I really hope you can make it. In Brazil, it's called a lazy sandwich or lazy speed lunch. And I love it. I'm smiling like that because it brings me back so many nice memories. And this is so satisfying. I hope you enjoy it because I'm sharing a little bit of my life, my culture, and a special piece of my life with you guys. So if you ever make it, let me know. Tag me on Facebook and Instagram, especially Instagram because Facebook is weird. They don't notify sometimes, I don't know why. But I love when you guys do that. And don't forget to check on my merch. I have the mugs there that I'm loving. You guys have been buying so much. Thank you a lot. Animals will appreciate because part of the profit will be donated to my local animal shelter. And check on my social media and my Patreon over there. And to my patrons, I love you guys. And I see you next time. Have a great week. Bye-bye.